In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Slack. This setup is a great way to keep your email, calendar, and team communication connected in one place. Instead of switching back and forth between Outlook and Slack all day, you can bring meeting updates into Slack, automatically sync your status during calendar events, and even send emails from Outlook directly into a Slack channel or direct message. We'll be setting up two parts of the integration: Outlook Calendar for Slack and the Slack add-in for Outlook. Let's begin with connecting Outlook Calendar to Slack. First, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your browser. In the left sidebar, click More, then Apps, or choose Add Apps if that's what you see. In the app directory, search for Outlook Calendar. Once it appears, click the Outlook Calendar app card, then select Add to Slack. Your browser will open a permissions page, and here you'll want to review the access being requested and click Allow to continue. After that, go back to Slack and look under the Apps section near the bottom of the left sidebar. Click Outlook Calendar to open its direct message area. Inside that tab, click Connect an Account. A sign-in window will appear, where you'll log into your Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft 365 account. Once you've signed in, approve the permissions by clicking Yes or Accept. This completes the connection and allows Slack to read your calendar availability. Next, in that same Outlook Calendar chat inside Slack, find the status syncing option and click Turn On. Once enabled, Slack will automatically update your status to show that you're in a meeting whenever a scheduled Outlook event begins. When the meeting ends, your status returns to normal automatically. This is especially helpful for reducing interruptions and letting teammates know when you're busy without having to update your status manually. Now let's install the Slack add-in for Outlook. Open Microsoft Outlook in either the desktop app or the web version. In the top ribbon, click Get Add-ins, or go through All Apps and then Add Apps, depending on your version. Search for Slack for Outlook in the add-in store. When you find it, click Add or Get It Now, then confirm the installation. To forward an email to Slack, open any email in your inbox that you want to share. Click the Slack icon in the email toolbar, or open the three-dot